Hello developers, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to start the brand new series of React.js. So today we are going to know about how we can set up our React project, and we will get to the documentation. And yes, so today we are going to have a lighter video, but the videos coming in future in the channel, coming future in the channel, that will be highly deep, and it will be with full of knowledge, full of ups and downs and everything we can do, starting from the fundamental of React JS, from the basic to the inner mechanisms, how things work. And yes, we will just break the myths. And because of the myths we have in industry, have seen that many newbies don't follow the things they should follow. So be with the channel, and yeah, let's get back to the work. So for the setup part, what we are going to do, we will make a folder with name setup, because of course we will just show how to do a React, how to set up a React your app. So let's get to the Chrome, and what we are going to do is React Vite setup, or better, installation. Okay, for that, get to the first link. Okay, so Vite is basically a bundler which helps you a lot, to set up your project in React with a lighter versions of React. Okay, and and you can say that it's lot development friendly. So things will be much lighter. So yeah, we will follow the Vite part. Means we will use the Vite bundler to create your, or to set up your React project. Okay, so as you have copied the scripts, let's run it. And this one I have to remove, and latest, yeah. Okay, so no, I have to change the directory, right? Cd setup, yes, clear. If you want dedicated video upon the terminal command, so give a comment, and I will for sure make it in a probably a shorts video, or a video long form. Okay, so here I want to set up this. So npm create Vite at the rate latest. Okay, now this command will itself ask you some of the prompts. Project name, suppose if you give Vite or any name, so in setup folder it will create that name you are giving here. Okay, the folder name, and inside that it will set your React project. But what I need to do is I will just give a dot means the current directory. So now the project will be set up in the current directory, which is inside the folder setup. So enter. What I need is React. So enter with JavaScript for now. Now npm install. To install all the node modules we require for the React to work. Okay, React app to work. So npm install, and let's see. Okay, so we will wait till then. Let me tell you some of the things, insights. So this is dot git ignore. Okay, this git ignore file basically holds all the names of the file we don't want our git will track. Okay, so you know git and github concept. If you don't know, then again comment in the comment box, so I will make a video upon that. So these are the files which our git will not going to track. Okay, so npm install done. See, the node modules have been came, and this node modules will not be tracked by git. So comment if you want. Now npm run dev. Okay, npm run dev, of course, yeah, npm run dev. So our project is started in the web, means the website name is localhost. Of course, we are hosting it in local machine, so localhost in port number 5173. So let's click on the link and let's go. So this is your basic React app, and in the first instance you will get a counter. So if you will click continuously in this, you will get a counter, okay, of the React. Refresh it and again do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, of course. So this is a counter. This is your first React app instance which you get while while setting your creating your project in React, okay. Now, for now we will go with the folder structure. As I want to make a video much more informative, so we will go and see the folder structure. So in root folder setup, you will get a node module, public, src, .getignore, slint, index.html, package log.json, package.json, readme, read.config.js. Okay, this file will have all the commands regarding configurations of feed. So ignore it. We don't need it right now. Okay, package.json, this will hold up all the names of the means it will have the configurations, okay, of your project, like name of the project, setup, okay, then version 0.000, 0.0.0, type module, okay, means we are going to use ES6, that is ECMAScript 6. Then scripts that we run, that is for we right now we did something called npm run dev. If you will see in the terminal, this one, okay. So npm is our one is the npm package run to run a script and dev, okay. So npm run dev, this will trigger this build part. Npm run build for doing the build one, we will discuss this in later videos. Lint for the ESLint, preview for the build preview. So these are the scripts. Dependencies, that is the packages we are using: React version 19.0.0 and React DOM 19.0.0. Dev dependencies, that is the dependencies we needed to develop it, wait, globals, and etc, etc. Okay, you will find it. We will go to these things later on. Now, in index.html, if you go this in this, you will find a boilerplate template, whatever we say it, okay, boiler code template. And inside that you will see titled Vite plus React. See Vite plus React, and then inside it you will get a script that will inject src main.jsx. Okay, so inside the src folder we have something called main.jsx. Inside this main.jsx is inserted in the index.html. So this is the basic folder structure. I will explain this in later videos. This main.jsx will wrap up the app inside it in the stricter mode, okay. In the stricter mode, I will, of course, I will say everything about these things in later videos. So, and this app will contain the initials, your initial, what to say, your initial React app, whatever we are seeing right now, okay. So this is the initial React app. And one more thing you can see is app.css, that is the styling that is running in app.jsx and index.css. This all has been inserted in, I guess, yeah, here in the main.jsx right now, okay. So this is the basic setup of your React app, and we will cover lot more things in later videos, okay. So thank you. We will meet in next video.